Hello, today I would like to show you how to make your own board game. I chose topic bedroom, but of course you can choose whatever you want. It can be toys, it can be flowers, garden, animals. Like I said, is bedroom. And now we can choose which we find in bedroom. It's bed. What else? Blanket on your bed. This can be bookshelf. Next one, maybe clock. Curtains. Of course, lamp, so you can read your books. Mirror. Pillow on your bed. Next, little rack. Of course, stereo system and table. And now we try to make our own game. So I click make it and we're waiting. And here you are. We have beautiful pictures and it's everything what we put. Of course we can make more, but I just wanted to show you how to make. With small kids we can train words. They describe what is in our bedroom. So again, it's bed, it's blanket, bookshelf, clock, curtains, lamp, mirror, pillow, rack, stereo, table. We throw our dice, and if we have two, we get 1, 2. Kids repeat. If it's blanket, they repeat blanket. I think that this helps memorize new words. Also, they can train their pronunciation and vocabulary. And I think this helps them remember these new words. Of course, we can print this game if we want. We click here and then we have everything ready. If we want one game, we leave one. If we want for example 4 or 5 groups, we can print 5 like this. After printing, of course, I everything put in foil, I laminate, and then I can use so long I wish. And I hope you enjoy. Bye.